I picked up this AFA tooling deburring tool. Wanted a case for it because it doesn't come with a case. So I printed this guy. He was a little breaky, so we're gonna try this one now. Different filament. See how this guy goes. So let's go ahead and put them together. Man. Talk about a tight fit. Holy crapola. My tolerances are too good. I don't know what's going on, but it's aggravating. So let's try it this way. Close the front. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oh, actually I almost got it, I think. Oh. Okay, let's see if we broke anything. Okay. Whew, that was crazy. Okay. Oh. A little stiff, a little stiff. Okay, so first thing that broke on the other one was this guy. I can tell you that hinge was not that stiff. So I'm hoping that's a good sign. Let's go ahead and put this guy in there. Okay. The deburring blades is where it came into an issue last time too, because they just these little guys just broke off as soon as you tried to put them in there. So let's see how this works. No, they work. They actually have a little bit of stretch to them. It's just been that other filament I used. It wasn't meant for this. Oh yeah, a little bit of stretch to them. That's nice. Oh yeah, I like it. Nice setup. Everything in there good. Minus this guy, he just kind of sits in there, so. There you go. Oh, got my finger in there. Yep. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but I guess we'll find out. I like it though. Nice little setup.